Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Babies under 9 months don't need water. It fills tiny tummies, dilutes nutrients, and risks water intoxication. Breast milk formula hydrates perfectly. Ambisinister to be equally clumsy with both hands. Rare 1 in 100 million cotton candy lobsters found off the coast of New Hampshire. Cheetahs only need drink water once every 3 or 4 days. The gaps between trees on remote Enderby Island. Only 31% of men and 65% of women wash their hands after using the bathroom. The British have created contact lenses that will help colorblind people distinguish colors. A spoonful of honey is great for soothing a hangover. Over 60,000 kg of trash are expected to be left in Times Square on New Year's Eve. 3,000 pounds of that trash is usually confetti. What pugs looked like before selective breeding. It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia is the wordiest show on TV with 176.2 words per minute. The self-work that you can do in silence will echo throughout every part of your life. In Kenya, a number of cases have been reported in the 2010s of thieves selling transformer oil stolen from transformers to the operators of roadside food stalls for use in deep frying. Too many people think the grass is greener somewhere else, but grass is greener where you water it. Remember that. In Olympic wrestling, referee can give wrestler a penalty if they decide that the wrestler is giving less than total effort. Both wrestlers are required to always give an all-out effort. Wrestlers showing less than total effort are considered passive. Legendary baseball star once refused to tell the media the name of his dog because he did not have the dog's permission. He also credited his dog for convincing him to stay with his longtime team, the Seattle Mariners. Standing behind airplane turbines within 50 meters can cause fatal injuries or death. According to 2019 survey on 4,500 plus Americans, the average age that children stop believing in Santa Claus is 8.4 years old. The oldest average comes from the state of Mississippi at 10.2 years old. 80% of the 150 million packages per day are still handled manually by people who earn $100 per month. Over 10,000 people attempted to climb Everest, but less than 2,000 made it to the top. Two ladies and a local man watching the sunset from the Pyramid of Giza. When going uphill, camels use their whole forefoot to not sink in the sand. 5-year-old Albert Einstein. Since the 16th century, sailors drop flowers in the sea for their fallen brothers. Reusable water bottles have 40,000 times more bacteria than average toilet seat. Study. Shiplifter crane can raise 2,000 tons with a single lift. Bubble ring formation among dolphins is a competition of who can make the largest and the most complex one. 26 years old Joe Biden. Artist Marius was born without arms, never gave up on his dreams, and has won global awards for his photorealistic portrait drawings. During the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami on 26 December 2004, fishermen said they saw with their own eyes the reality of generations of legends, the remains of ancient temples, and hundreds of refrigerator sized blocks, all briefly exposed before the sea swallowed them up again. Don't just teach your children to read, teach them to question what they read, teach them to question everything. The value of an education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. The ever evolving Meghalaya bridges are made up of tangled thick roots that provide formidability to the structure and make it good enough to hold 50 or more people in one go. These wonderful structures have meticulously grown over a period of time and are among the biggest attractions in Meghalaya. School lunches from around the world, USA, Finland, Italy, Ukraine, South Korea, Spain, France, Greece, Brazil, thanks for watching.